Russian River varietal specific is Chardonnay and Pinot Noir. A lot of that's because of the fog and the cool nights. It's also because of the soil type there, which is Gold Ridge Sandy Loam, which those two varietals love. It's great for the water table. And then you get into the hills like Alexander Valley and Dry Creek. Dry Creek is known for Zinfandel. So that's really what this region is known for, although here at Flanagan we don't make a Zin. We're kind of outliers in that department. Alexander Valley has a smattering of different varietals that do really well up in that area. It is a little bit higher heat and it mimics somewhat of Napa because it's not getting that fog push nearly that far north. Chalk Hill has a little bit different soil complex. It's higher elevation, and so you find more Sauvignon Blanc and Cabernet and some other hardier varietals like Merlot being planted up that way. Then you dip down into this portion here, and again, these mountains through Bennett Valley and Sonoma Mountain are higher elevation. Down here, just outside Petaluma, on the backside of the Sonoma Coast AVA, this is really becoming famed for Pinot Noir. And again, because of the history of being kind of cattle land and great fertilized soil for us over the generations, but also it's getting that fog impact first. And so you start to see Sonoma County as a whole with all these different pockets of AVAs, which all have their own unique qualities behind them and specific, almost, we don't really like to token microclimates here, but they all do have their own climate qualities that can differ. So where we're sitting here on the south end of Dry Creek today, when we hit our high temperature, it'll be in the mid 90s probably. You go 10 miles into the Russian River Valley and you're about 10 degrees cooler. And that can make a huge impact on what grapes you choose to plant and how your ripening cycles are in terms of your growing season.